from CPVN online classes. So dear students, our today's topic is deutoplasmic or ergastic bodies. Let's define it. Deutoplasmic or ergastic bodies are non-living, not capable of growth or division. Examples: vacuoles, reserve food, excretory granules, secretory granules, and crystal of minerals. Now we will understand that what is vacuoles. If we talk about the vacuoles, they are a large membrane bound vesicle in a cell cytoplasm. Where they are present? In the cell cytoplasm. Fluid filled. Inside this vacuole, fluid is filled and they are solid filled spaces. These are covered by the membrane called tonoplast. Let's understand with the help of notes. Suppose this is a cell. It is a cell. Inside this cell, a vacuole is there. And the vacuole's membrane, this is called tonoplast. What is called? It is called tonoplast. And inside it, there is some liquid material present. Right? Now, let's move to the next page, that is related to the vacuole. They include amino acids, proteins, esters, water-soluble pigments, waste material, and minerals dissolved in water, like amoeba, paramecium. The vacuoles contain food, are called food vacuoles, and they are also called a storage sac. Large and only many tiny vacuole in animal cell present only in few plants. This is the structure of the vacuole. Here the cell sap is present, cell sap. Central vacuole is present. Tonoplast is the membrane of this vacuole. What is central vacuole? These vacuoles of plant cell get fused to form a large central vacuole, right? The freshwater protozoa, example amoeba, are present contractile vacuoles. They contract and pumping out the excess of water along with the waste material. This is called osmoregulation. Means the main function of the vacuole is osmoregulation. Osmoregulation, again I am going to explain. Osmoregulation, it is the process of maintaining the water and mineral level constant inside the cell, right? Here is the definition of the osmoregulation. Now there are some function as above I have explained. You have to just focus over the main function of the vacuole, that is osmoregulation. And another function are the cell sap keep the cell turgid and maintain osmotic equilibrium of the cell. The tonoplast, being semi-permeable, segregates the waste material as well nutrient to be stored in the vacuoles in their concentrated form, right? Now we will talk about the next part, that will be the nucleus. Nucleus